Fort Cobb community is a small community. It's about 600 to 700 people that live in there in the town. What I love about living in a rural community is you know the people that your kids go to school with, you know your neighbors, you know my patients I know in a personal way as well too. As a healthcare provider, I like knowing my patients in depth and knowing other aspects of their life. It helps me know them and treat them as a whole person. Just to be able to have access to a clinic within the community is key for the people that live there.
So having grown up in a small town, I've learned that there's a lot of lack of resources or limitations to healthcare. I am very passionate about serving the rural community, especially as a Hispanic physician. I remember being a child and helping my parents translate and help them convey what symptoms they're having. I wanted to be that physician that can do a little bit of everything so my patients are not finding themselves having to drive hours.
I've lived in Granfield for 10 years now, and I've practiced there 8 of them. So I practice in my hometown every day. And it's just a very rural community. It's a farming community. The closest hospital to us is probably 35, 40 miles away. I have numerous patients that don't have cars, that don't have vehicles. They would go without the care they need if we didn't have the clinic in town.
Working with Variety Care for me is more of a passion versus being just a job. I think that there would be a lot of people that would probably just go without health care if they weren't able to access the Variety Care in Fort Cobb. We see patients that don't have any insurance at all, and their co-pays, their office visits are based off of their income on a sliding scale. So that way we can, provide this safety net for the whole community.
I am committed and passionate about serving Anadarko and the surrounding communities. I appreciate that Variety Care is really committed to these communities because they're the ones that are uninsured or have an insurance that a lot of people are not as willing to take. They're the ones that just don't have a voice.
With Variety Care, when I tell people that I can truly help people get access to medications and things that they need at a more affordable price, I can say that with 100% confidence, and I don't have to worry about changing how I'm going to take care of somebody because they don't have access to all the money. Because of Variety Care, my community has the access to the health care they need.